You are now watching Doorbell News.
Testing. Check her out. She's creeping outside of someone's house. This woman decides to walk inside of someone's house. Better keep those doors locked. Check this guy out. We got a real Spider-Man here. Houston, Texas. This guy's wiggling doorknobs.
Oh shit, Chelsea, why you keep coming to my door, dog? I'm trying to see what's all with Chelsea. Ain't no Chelsea that live here. Oh, I got you. Why do you keep coming to my door? I feel no disrespect. No, I told you last time, stop coming to my door and you keep coming to my shit.
Bertie County, North Carolina.
Ew.
We have another intruder.
Ew.
This guy entered this business, but was later apprehended by Bertie County Sheriff's Office, Atlanta, Georgia. Looks like this guy has an AR-15 in his waistband. Let's see what happens.
You got some food they came through here, son?
Some food?
Yeah, he said the American Deli got dropped off. He said somebody picked it up. When I came out here, he was the only one out here, son.
American Deli.
Yeah.
So American Deli came here.
That's what he said. I just put that what I'm saying.
Who said that?
The Dasher. And when I walked out here, you was the only nigga I seen out here.
American Deli is a chicken spot in Atlanta, if you don't know. Yeah, I guess his chicken order came up missing, and he's coming over with his AR-15 to figure things out. Wilson, North Carolina.
Can I help you?
A young man comes by with an ankle bracelet on, talking about he's having some issues at home. Let's see what happens.
You said what, ma'am? Yes, sir. Can you call 911?
Yeah, what's going on?
Yeah, man, my dad doing too much. I'm on house arrest. I'm 18. Ain't trying to beat my ass again. And I did take my phone and shit, but I can't call nobody, bro. Like, and shit about piss me off, bro. Like, he be whooping me with switches and shit when I was younger. I'm 18 now, bro. Like, I'm on the ankle monitor, bro. He's doing too much.
All right, I got you. Stay right there.
Yes, sir. I'm tired of getting whooping like that. He be whooping me with switches and shit, bro.
I've got somebody coming. They're on the way, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Real
Yeah, buddy. My wife's getting ready to bring you something to drink and snack on while you wait, okay?
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you.
Poor kid. I'm fortunate to say that I never had to go through anything like this.
Yes, mom, thank you. But they be doing too much, bro. Like, I'm on house arrest and they think they can whoop me and shit, and I'm 18, bro. Like,
We got the cops coming.
yeah, thank you, man.
You're
They've been
welcome.
doing it since I was like 12, and like not with a belt, like discipline, like with a switch and stuff. And like that leaves
Yeah,
marks.
they don't need to be doing that.
Yeah, but like.
Hopefully the police will be able to help you out.
Yes, ma'am. And then, like, when I used to go to work with them the summers, they never paid me, but they would always pay my brother. You know
That's
what I'm
sad.
saying? Like, bro, they just don't like me at all. Like, for real. No, I just don't care. Like,
Well, if you need anything else, let us know, okay? They should be here soon.
yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank
Of
you.
course.
I appreciate your husband, too.
Of course.
Thank you.
Poor kid. He seems like he's just misguided. Let's hope things work out for him and his family.
That's not my dad. That's the sheriff.
Oh, they were looking for you?
No, they ain't. I'm pretty sure, but like.
Atlanta, Georgia.
God damn, June, what the f? Grandpa! Here, get this shit. June, get your ass out.
How is he okay?
Man, get your
That nigga hollering at me, bro.
Make sure you hit the like button.
Looks like somebody needs their license revoked. Muskegon, Michigan.
So you look okay? Yeah, you look fine. It's kind of hot. I was wearing this dress for Paul's Day. It's not nice.
What's up?
Oh, hi. We are the sister missionaries for Church Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and we're just inviting people to come worship Jesus Christ this Sunday with us.
The devil lives here.
Okay, well, just know Jesus Christ loves you. And have a wonderful day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now, why would he say that to those nice young women? Meanwhile, in Cape Town.
Get out!
Looks like somebody else needs their license revoked. Idabel, Oklahoma. We got a young prankster here. Huffman, Texas. A wife orders a delivery for her husband's birthday, but when the delivery driver comes, she decides to take the birthday card that had cash inside of it. It's funny how some people still don't realize how Ring doorbells work. She's looking around like looking to see if anyone sees her, but we're looking right at you, lady. Hey, bring that back. Miami, Florida. This guy's trying to get inside of a $500,000 electric Rolls Royce, but it's not his car. They say, hey, this isn't a Ring doorbell. You see that door? Ithaca, Michigan. Check her out. Hey, bring that back. So this lady said this guy was following her. So as soon as she got home, she ran inside the house and brought her dogs out. Yeah, he left immediately after he seen them big dogs. Laguna Niguel, California. This officer comes by and says the water's running. Let's see what happens.
Sheriff's Department.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hey, this is Sheriff's Department.
Hello.
Hi.
How
Are you
can
home?
how can I help you? Hi. I'm
Your
in
water's
bed.
running.
What can I do for you?
Your water's running.
My water in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Okay, well, thank you. Let me go turn that off. I didn't know that. Thank you.
You real quick?
I'm sorry?
Can you
I'm
come
going
talk
to
to
go
me real
turn the
quick?
water off. No,
Oh,
let me go see what's going on.
do that first.
Oh, my goodness. No, I don't have any water running. I said, I don't have any water running in the house. Is it outside?
Your neighbor, there was water going into her house.
Uh, Coming into my house? There's no water in my house. I don't have anything on. Nope. Nope. There's no water running anywhere in my house, and I'm in one room.
No sink, no
So
nothing?
there's no run. I have two bathrooms in the kitchen. There's no water running.
Okay. Can you
So it could
come
be a
talk to me?
pipe in the garage. Well, no,
Oh,
I'm in bed. I have to get up at 5:50.
okay. All right, well, I just want to make sure
All
you're
right.
okay. All right,
Oh
thank
yeah,
you.
I'm fine. I'm in bed. I get up really early. Have my neighbor to call me.
Yorktown, Virginia.
Easy, 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 goddammit. What the hell?
What the hell? You're on the ground.
Well, so you had to go do it again?
Ay, 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 ay. Use the chair as leverage. I tripped over her leash.
Oh, shit.
I think I hurt my foot.
Oh, that's great.
Twisted.
That's nice. There you go.
What a frickin' frack. I'm telling you, what the hell is going on with us?
Stupidity. Yes.
Well, what happened to you?
More stupidity.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.